signor Ramesh, molto bravo, complimenti, molto bravo.
Hello friends, it is 4 plates clutch, original 150cc engine. Hi friends.
ఏరియాలు మొత్తం ఓపెన్ చేశారండి.
Lambretta. Get a good braking effect. Point number 2. This is the t-shirt which I received from Lambretta Store as a gift. This is Lambretta Motor Division t-shirt book, but it is written in Italy. I don't know Italy. Everything is in Italy, but the if you want to really gain the experience, it is better not to read any manuals. Open the engine and apply your own brain, so you will get many ideas. Whenever I open the equipment, I do on my own, so it will be better. Why? Because you will get some new ideas. This is the flywheel puller, a good quality one. Friends, I am going to show you the starting of Lamb 150. Let's watch. And we can also start the engine by using our hands. See how it can be done. Hi friends, I am going to show you the running of Lamb 150 now.